Hi guys, in today's video I will explain how you can remove the TEVO Tornado stock print sheet, and I will also share some cool tips that will make this entire procedure much easier. As most of you guys probably already noticed, this sheet is not that bad. The filament sticks very well, but the downside is that it can be very difficult to come off. Using a scraper is sometimes necessary and most of the times is not an easy job. Another downside is that if you raise the temperature higher than 65 degrees C, you will eventually start seeing air bubbles between the heat bed and the print sheet. And when this happens, you really need to take it out and replace it with another sheet or with a different print surface. I recommend one of those print surfaces that stick very well when they are hot, and when they cool down, the prints simply pop off by themselves. There are many on the market, such as the Filaprint from Filafarm, the PrintBite Plus, and the Mamrobot. As I said, there are other options on the market today. I only bought these three and I'm currently testing them, so I hope I can give you some feedback on these very soon. But enough chit chat, and let's start taking the stock sheet out. First thing I recommend you to do is to remove the heat bed. This way you can work better and you don't stress or damage the wheels in the process. Now get a blade and carefully lift the corners, just enough for you to get a grip and start pulling the sheet. Keep pulling the sheet out. Go to every corner, as the outer edges are easier to pull than the center. At the end, you will see the glass bed covered with the adhesive. This adhesive is normally a paint remove. To help with the adhesive, I found this product in a local electronics store. It's called Label Off, and it's designed to remove labels. It penetrates the paper labels and dissolves the underlying adhesive, and it's not that expensive. I bought it for €6 and you will see that it's money well spent. In this case, it will help to weaken the adhesive. Just spray a good amount of the Label Off over the adhesive. Wait a few minutes and you will see the adhesive curling up. Also, and very important, try to do this outdoors or in a well-ventilated area because of the spray. Get a scraper and start removing it. You can see how the adhesive gets soft with the Label Off. You might need to spray a few times until it comes out completely. As you can see, it comes off without much effort. At the end, get a cloth with alcohol or acetone and clean the glass to remove the remains of the Label Off. All done! Nice and shiny! Hope these tips are helpful. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and YouTube. And if you like my work, you can also support me on Patreon. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.